Okay, so we said that we've got double DIYs today. It's spring break time, and that means a lot of free time. We're kicking things off with fun, kid-friendly projects and to block the boredom and keep everyone busy. Bill?
That's right. This is Kansas City mama Andrea Krasnow and her son McKinley here to get us started. Welcome again to the kitchen here, you guys. Now, before we start, are you skipping school today?
No, we were already out of school.
Okay, that was the right answer. Well done. So, Andrea, thank you guys so much for being here. What do we need to get started? This looks like a fun project full of bright colors and really kind of a positive message.
Yes, so today we chose to work on kindness rocks.
Okay.
And we saw this when we were back home in Virginia and found it lying on the ground, and it said, "Keep trying."
So I just was like, "Mama, what's that?" So I did, and it was a kindness rock, but we didn't know, so I just took it.
We just took it, but it said that we could.
Rock. Okay.
And when he was younger, he used to always say, "But Mama, we can try." Yeah. So I thought it was perfect that "Keep Trying" was the rock that we found. So what we thought we would do is make some rocks, leave them around town over spring break, so that people can pick up some positive messages and maybe pass it forward.
That is awesome. I love it. Well, how do we get started here? Because I know you have a bunch of just black rocks here.
Yes.
But how do we get them to this? I mean, these almost look like Easter eggs. They're so colorful.
Right?
So
go ahead.
So we paint them, and then you get these kind of mochas, and then you can write words on them, and like this one is "You Rock."
So how we got them to this way is, it's been so snowpacked you can't find rocks. So I just bought rocks. And I painted them white so that the vibrant colors that I painted over the white would really show
up. Yeah.
And you can do, as you can see, an array of colors. I just chose really bright spring colored rocks. And things that you would find on the ground so that people could say, "Oh my gosh, I see this bright fun rock."
Now, is this the white paint you used?
Actually,
or did you use
a bright white.
Just a bright white paint, but then use these acrylics to do the actual...
Absolutely.
Okay, very cool.
And if you're going to leave them, the one thing that I haven't done yet, you need to coat them for outdoors, so the paint doesn't run. I just haven't done that yet because...
So there's like a top coat on it or something?
Just a little top coat. You can get a spray kind, or you can paint it on. There's always acrylic top coats that you can use that are specific for outdoors.
Okay, so where did you get some of your messages from? I know, I mean, you have the one that you found and he's really adamant about, but you've got some other great messages down here.
So he really wrote them all.
Yeah.
He took the, well, our dad gave us the rocket because it was a rock.
Because that's a good dad joke.
That's right, so you can rock it, but really McKinley came up with the "You are great," "You rock," "You are brave," and "You can do it."
You can do it.
So,
well, I'm going to do one here. Is that okay?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, let's see. I'm going to go after the lavender rock here.
Perfect.
What would be a good color to show up there with the yellow marker?
I think the yellow would be great.
Okay.
Or like this orange.
The orange is really bright?
Any of the really bright colors.
All right, well, I'm going to try. Now, what are you doing when you use the cupcake wrapper over there? Is that just to get the pin started?
We're getting the pin started.
So first you have to shake it up like this to get the ink, and then you just dab it like this, and then when the ink is all the way to the tip, it's good.
Good. Are you used to dabbing like that? Because when I ask my son about dabbing, he does the whole thing, and I smack him. Just kidding, I don't
we
smack
dab
my
every
children.
now and then, but no, we just do crazy dancing in our house.
Crazy, we have crazy dancing too.
Yes, we're all about it.
All right, I'm gonna try my favorite saying that I tell my kids is "Don't give up."
There you go, that's perfect.
All right, I have to really concentrate on these things, folks, so hold on just a second. McKinley, do you have any jokes you can entertain our audience with real fast?
Oh, let's not. So we have some other fun things that we did, though, so that you have a wide array of things that you can do. So popsicle sticks are a great thing to make. We made a birdhouse for Father's Day, and these are some things to keep in mind.
And it went to my granddad.
It went to Granddaddy.
I think here's some pictures of that project right there.
So I think that it's never too early to think about Mother's Day, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day. Teacher Appreciation is coming up. So we made flowers out of cupcake wrappers and pipe cleaners, or you can do it out of popsicle sticks and paint them. Another thing that we did is we did fingerprints.
And here's some of the cupcake things, or some of the...
Yes, so these are kind of the things that you'll need in order to get your cupcakes.
So this one is mine right here.
Did you do the bumblebees on there?
The bumblebees and the ladybugs.
And these are both of mine.
Great job.
So yeah, so just some fun things that you can do,
and you know, doing this and just spending 5 or 10 minutes doing a project like this is much better than spending 30 minutes in front of the TV, right?
Absolutely.
All right, well,
absolutely.
We really appreciate Andrea McKinley for being here today. Thank you so much for your inspirational sayings, young man. I appreciate it. I'm going to keep this one and I'm going to look at it when I need inspiration. So thank you very much. Okay.
Thanks for having us.